from 9A number 10. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my infographics. But before that, let me ask you something. How many of you checked your phone within the last hour? Now, another question. How many of you absolutely sure everything you see online is true? Today, I'm talking about navigating the digital frontier and why security, privacy, and truth. Digital life is a complex landscape where technical trends like PC and malware make daily habits. In an era of sophisticated cybercrime and misinformation, maintaining security and privacy is no longer optional. It is a vital necessity for financial and personal safety. To stay safe online, we must remember three simple rules. The first, secure access and authentication. Use strong password and enable two-way to block and authorize access. Password is like a key house. If it's weak, anyone can get it. The second, cellular connection. Use a VPN on public network and keep all software updates to patch vulnerable attacks. Updates is not annoying, they are protections. The third, proactive data defense. Utilize firewalls, antivirus software, and regular data backups to prevent loss from ransomware. If you isn't backup, it can be lost. But being safe is not enough. We must also learn how to spot the fake news. The first, verify research and domain. And the second one is analyze content and tone. We must be wary of angry tones for grammar or articles like reputable name authors. And the third, cross-reference and fact-check. We must confirm the story with multiple news outlets and trusted fast-checking websites like Snopes. Any questions? Now, let me tell you about credibility evaluation metric. The first is visual. The red flags, a manner designs, alternate image, and the green flags is high quality professional layout. And the second, sources. Red flag, anonymous, or no sources cited. And the green flag, identified, reliable sources are false. And the third, intones, outrageous claims are all caps. And the green flag is fair, balanced, and reasonable. So, in this digital life, being smart is more important than being